حدثنا أبو نعيم حدثنا زكريا عن عامر قال سمعت النعمان بن بشير يقول سمعت رسول الله صلى الله عليه وآله وسلم يقول: الحلال بين والحرام بين وبينهما مشبهات لا يعلمها كثير من الناس، فمن اتقى المشبهات استبرأ لدينه وعرضه، ومن وقع في الشبهات كراع يرعى حول الحم يوشك أن يواقعه. ألا وإن لكل ملك حما، ألا إن حم الله في أرضه محارمه، ألا وإن في الجسد مضغة إذا صلحت صلح الجسد كله، وإذا فسدت فسد الجسد كله نقطة، ألا وهي القلب.
Narrated an-Nu'man bin Bashir. I heard Allah's Messenger saying, both legal and illegal things are evident, but in between them there are doubtful, suspicious things, and most of the people have no knowledge about them. So whoever saves himself from these suspicious things saves his religion and his honor. And whoever indulges in these suspicious things is like a shepherd who grazes his animals near the hema private pasture of someone else, and at any moment he is liable to get in it. O people, beware. Every king has a hema, and the hema of Allah on the earth is his illegal forbidden things. Beware. There is a piece of flesh in the body. If it becomes good reformed, the whole body becomes good, but if it gets spoilt, the whole body gets spoilt. And that is the heart.